Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your GatesFX account to TradeLocker step by step. Once you're inside your GatesFX dashboard, start by clicking the Accounts tab at the top left. From the drop-down, select Open Demo Account. When the setup window appears, choose TradeLocker Demo as your account category. Then click Continue. Next, select your account type and keep clicking Continue until you reach the final confirmation page. Here you'll receive all your important details: your account number, email, password, and your login server. After the setup is complete, you can go back to the My Accounts Overview section. You should now see your newly created TradeLocker demo account listed there. Now it's time to connect it. Open your browser and go to demo.tradelocker.com. On the login screen, enter the same email you used to sign into GatesFX. Then go back to your GatesFX account and click View on your demo account. You'll see your server information there. Copy that server, paste it into the server field on TradeLocker, and do the same with your password. Your password will be shown once right after creating the account, but it's also sent to your email, so you can always retrieve it. Once all three fields are filled in, email, server, and password, click Login. You'll now be logged into the TradeLocker platform and ready to start trading using your GatesFX demo account. And that's it. That's how you connect GatesFX to TradeLocker quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.